how should I get prepared as far as, how do I know, am I going to be working wind claims? If you don't know anything about the business, Todd,
I can answer that
answer that.
because, I mean, it was really quite interesting with Hurricane Katrina because I started out just like that.
Mm-hmm.
I knew what I wanted to do as an
Mm-hmm.
active Marine. So when Hurricane Katrina hit, I said, okay, well, I want to do this. Well, I was still an active duty Marine. So I went to, I filled out an application. That was the very first thing I had to do. I went to a company, filled out the application. They said, okay, well, Hurricane Katrina hit. Here, now you got to go to training. So I went to training, and then they dumped me on the front door of someone's house. I didn't have any experience. I didn't know anything. And I even asked the policyholder at that time. I said, hey, sir, I heard you got damage. Can you show me what it is? So I kind of made it happen. And then from then on, this is the biggest thing I think that's out there. From then on, I knew what I wanted to do because I was helping that individual, and I knew what I had to learn. So I practiced, I learned, I studied, I did everything I possibly could. Like David said, there's a lot of tools out there. I had them all. I had construction for dummies, even though I knew how to build homes and stuff. I had construction for dummies, something like that, to help me with that. Understanding everything. I did everything I could to learn what my job was. So I showed up at the next house, I knew what to do.